In today's world, artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in shaping various aspects of society, from healthcare to transportation, and beyond. Its impact is profound, revolutionizing how we live, work, and interact with technology. This video aims to delve into the significance of artificial intelligence and its implications for society, sparking a thought-provoking discussion on the advancements and possibilities that AI brings to the table. By exploring the transformative power of AI, we aim to capture the viewer's interest in the endless opportunities and challenges that lie ahead in this rapidly evolving field. The field of artificial intelligence is witnessing groundbreaking innovations that showcase the remarkable collaboration between humans and machines, pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible. From identity verification to creative content generation and collaborative problem-solving, AI applications are revolutionizing various industries and aspects of life. By highlighting examples of AI in action, such as personalized recommendations, autonomous vehicles, and medical diagnostics, we can see the immense potential of AI to transform how we live, work, and interact with technology. This symbiotic relationship between humans and machines is paving the way for a future where AI plays a central role in driving innovation and progress across diverse fields, shaping a world where the possibilities are truly endless. When it comes to artificial intelligence, there are common misconceptions and challenges that often cloud our understanding of this rapidly evolving field. Terms like machine learning, algorithms, computer vision, and big data can seem daunting, but they are essential components that power AI systems and enable them to learn and adapt. One prevalent misconception is the idea of a super-intelligent AI that rivals human cognition, when in reality, AI is designed to mimic specific tasks and processes rather than replicate the complexity of human thought. By clarifying the role of AI in augmenting human capabilities and enhancing efficiency, we can better appreciate the symbiotic relationship between humans and machines. It is crucial to understand that while AI excels in specialized tasks, it has limitations in terms of generalized intelligence and lacks the nuanced understanding and creativity that humans possess. By emphasizing the importance of human-AI collaboration and the need for ethical considerations in AI development, we can navigate the challenges and harness the potential of artificial intelligence to create a more inclusive and sustainable future. The concept of humanizing machines and creating lifelike avatars has opened up a realm of possibilities and challenges in the field of technology. One of the key challenges lies in replicating real individuals digitally, a process that involves intricate details and advancements in facial recognition, motion capture, and artificial intelligence. By showcasing the development of lifelike digital characters, we can witness the remarkable progress in creating avatars that closely resemble their human counterparts, opening up new avenues in entertainment, education, and communication. However, delving into the realm of humanizing machines raises ethical and philosophical questions regarding the boundaries between the virtual and the real, the implications of creating digital replicas of individuals without their consent, and the impact on human identity and relationships. As we navigate this complex landscape, it is essential to consider the ethical implications of humanizing machines and the potential consequences of blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. By examining the ethical and philosophical dimensions of creating lifelike avatars, we can better understand the implications of this transformative technology and its impact on society as we strive to strike a balance between innovation and ethical considerations. Advancements in prosthetics have reached new heights with the integration of artificial intelligence technology, revolutionizing the field of assistive devices and enhancing the lives of individuals with limb loss or mobility impairments. Bionic limbs and prosthetic advancements driven by AI have showcased remarkable capabilities, from intuitive movements and sensory feedback to adaptive learning and customization based on user preferences. By harnessing the power of AI, prosthetic devices can now mimic natural movements more accurately, providing users with increased functionality and comfort. The impact of AI on enhancing human abilities and quality of life is profound, as individuals with limb differences can now regain independence and engage in daily activities with greater ease and confidence. The possibilities of AI-powered prosthetics extend beyond basic functionality, offering potential advancements in areas such as sports performance, rehabilitation, and healthcare. By exploring the intersection of AI technology and prosthetics, we can envision a future where individuals with limb loss have access to cutting-edge devices that not only restore mobility but also enhance their overall well-being and quality of life. The potential future implications and applications of artificial intelligence are vast and transformative, offering solutions to global challenges and pushing the boundaries of innovation across various fields. AI plays a crucial role in addressing pressing issues such as food security and healthcare by optimizing processes, predicting outcomes, and enabling more efficient resource allocation. The possibilities of AI in space exploration and scientific discoveries are equally promising, with the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, simulate complex scenarios, and uncover new insights that can propel humanity's understanding of the universe forward. As we look towards the future, it is essential to consider the ethical and societal impacts of advancing AI technologies, including concerns around data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential displacement of jobs due to automation. By encouraging viewers to reflect on the implications of AI on society, we can foster a dialogue on responsible innovation, ethical decision-making, and the importance of ensuring that AI technologies are developed and deployed in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. As we navigate the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, it is crucial to approach these advancements with a critical lens, considering not only the potential benefits but also the ethical considerations and societal implications that come with harnessing the power of AI for the greater good. In conclusion, the video has highlighted the significant advancements in artificial intelligence and the importance of collaborations between humans and machines in pushing boundaries and driving innovation. We explored the transformative impact of AI on various industries and aspects of life, showcasing examples of AI applications in identity, creativity, and collaboration. The discussion also delved into common misconceptions and challenges related to AI, emphasizing the need for ethical considerations and human-AI collaboration to navigate the complexities of this rapidly evolving field. Moving forward, it is crucial to consider the potential future implications and applications of AI in addressing global challenges, encouraging viewers to reflect on the ethical and societal impacts of advancing AI technologies. To stay informed and engaged with the latest developments in artificial intelligence, we invite viewers to subscribe, like, and share the video for more content, as well as explore related topics to deepen their understanding of this transformative technology. By staying informed and actively participating in the dialogue surrounding AI, viewers can contribute to shaping a future where AI technologies are harnessed responsibly for the benefit of society as a whole.